Here's our latest flip in San Diego, California. A 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome bought while in foreclosure for $198,000. Check out the initial condition, the renovations, and the final profit will be revealed at the end of the episode. Make sure to smash that like button and enjoy as we flip this house. All right, it's time to do the initial walkthrough of the house and get our first impressions. As you come through the door, you can see the old pergo on the floor. That is not a nice sight, so we're going to have to change that out. Coming into the living room, dining room area, there are multiple colors on the wall, an old ceiling fan that needs to go, several other improvements that need to happen inside the house. In the backyard patio section, it has been cleared out and will need a little bit of improvements, but overall it's a nice space. As far as the kitchen goes, it's old, the cabinets are very cheap, the laminate countertops, there's pieces of flooring that are missing, and all kinds of little touch-ups around the windowsill. The ceiling has spots of grease and debris on it as well. Coming back through the hallway, we can get to the stairway here, and you'll notice that the carpet is incredibly stained. The carpet needs to be replaced all throughout the stairs, and as we get up into the bedroom section, the carpet needs to be replaced in all of the bedrooms as well. You'll see patches of carpeting that were replaced but just look horrible. And as far as the walls go, there's several holes in the walls. The doors need to be changed out. There's, again, in the master, a missing hallway door. The closets on both sides need to be adjusted. As far as the bathroom goes, laminate flooring again. There's a hideous bar that is attached to the shower enclosure, the fiberglass tub enclosure that needs to go. The vanity itself is in pretty good shape, so we can probably keep that. As we go into the second bedroom, you'll see that there are, again, holes in the wall that need to be patched up, drywall repair. The closet doors need to be adjusted, and again, the patching on the walls. Lastly, we'll go into the bathroom section, and you'll notice, again, a couple of patches that need to be done paint-wise. As far as the bathroom goes, though, the tub enclosure needs to be refinished. The fixtures need to be changed out as far as the faucets and the sink, and that is a pretty good overview of the house. Again, you can see the worn flooring, which isn't too drastic, but once it's replaced, will have a huge effect on the resale value of the home. Flooring, paint, those are the two typical things that you're going to see in any flip that are going to give it just a tremendous amount of appeal without having that high of a cost associated with it. If you're liking this video so far, please make sure to hit that like button. And now we're going to hop into all the renovations that happened to this townhome and exactly how much value it added.
$2,500 worth of repairs.
All right, so let's check out the renovations. First thing you're going to notice is the amazing Mohawk premium vinyl hardwood flooring. Picked it up at Costco for about $1.30 a square foot. It looks amazing. It obviously brings the space together. The distressed hardwood gray flooring is completely in right now. The color palette that you'll see is gray throughout with white. We added the Nest thermostat. The kitchen is absolutely gorgeous. We got new hardwood white shaker cabinetry from one of the Chinese distributors here in San Diego. We picked up quartz countertops. The solid slab countertops are absolutely stunning. The Samsung appliances were picked up at Home Depot on sale and at an amazing price. We'll go through all of the pricing and all of the improvements here at the end of the video. The flooring throughout the townhouse was completely restored, and the carpet that was chosen was, again, the gray color palette. It does make the entire townhouse flow together, and you can see the dramatic appearance in every bedroom and the hallways, and how everything is just so much better. As we go into the master bedroom, you'll see that the walls, again, everything is the gray and white color palette. We'll go into the bathroom. You can see the hardwood vinyl flooring again, the dual flushed toilet that was picked up at Costco, $149. The cabinets are stunning. The fixtures were all replaced. New faucets, new shower, new bath. The tub enclosures completely refinished. As we go into the bedrooms, you'll see that all of the walls are completely patched. The paint, the flooring, the mirrored vanities all come out extremely well. As we go into the last bathroom, you'll see again the hardwood floors look gorgeous, the dual flush toilets, the new fixtures, the new faucet, and the tub enclosure, again refinished completely, all bright white now. Absolutely gorgeous to look at. The two bathrooms have been identically remodeled, making things so much simpler and easier to do. The flooring has been done and the kitchen has been gorgeously remodeled. All of these improvements add a dramatic increase in value to the potential buyer and create a flip that's going to really shine when it comes to marketing. We're going to get a tremendous amount of buyer action, and we'll see several offers. When we listed the home for sale, we had it virtually staged. If you haven't seen this process done before, take a look at how much it's dramatically changed and how much it appeals to every type of buyer out there. We wanted to get multiple offers, and we sure did. We ended up receiving 8 offers on the property, and even though it was listed for $325,000, it sold for $340,000. Let's take a look at the costs associated with this project. The acquisition was $198,000, remodel $15,900, carrying costs including mortgage and HOA $6,200. Sales cost to get it sold was about $14,800, and the liens we needed to pay off were $19,100 to make a total of $254,000 for the project. We did receive 8 offers on the property, had a total sales price of $340,000. Our net profit from the entire flip was $86,000. Not too shabby, huh? Please make sure that you hit subscribe and also to that bell notification. That'd be great, so you can get future videos with flips just like this. If you like this video, please make sure to turn that like button blue. We look forward to seeing you again in other episodes.